Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video we would like to demonstrate, or should I rather say figure out, whether the Fortnite game is available on this tablet. So in order to find this information out, we will need to get the Epic Games launcher app first. So I will open, you do not have to obviously. I will open the Google search, type in the Fortnite APK query, then go for the official website. In here I'll go for the download the app from Epic Games option, then download the APK file that will further install the Epic Games. Then after it gets downloaded, I'll directly go for the install, which I also have to allow to install unknown apps prior to Google Chrome in my case. So I'll check this little circle, tap an OK button, and finally confirm the installation. Then I will open the Epic Games launcher, and in here, if I'll tap on the get button in front of a Fortnite, at the following page we'll be able to see that device is not supported. Thus, unfortunately, the Fortnite game is not available for this particular tablet. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.